Hello everyone, welcome to another video that I'm making late at night because I'm good at doing such things, but I have such an amazing, wonderful update. I had a breakthrough on Click Ranger. I know it's been taking me forever, but my goodness, so let's see what we got. I guess I could scroll the code super quick all the way at the top. Just a quick rundown, loading everything in, setting up very important variables like caption, screen, loading images, all my images actually, my main menu, loading some stuff, game, loading some stuff. This is actually where I had a lot of problems and where I spent the last couple of weeks trying to make the buttons and cards and all that stuff if statements work, and I finally got it. So without further ado, bam, here we go. It's no longer resizable. I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh, and also none of these buttons work either. I'm going to work on it. Spells is actually going to be really cool, but the important thing is start. The intern button doesn't do anything. I added that in. I might get rid of it. But draw spell. Boom. Health drop. It's not doing anything crazy. It's not blitzing out. I can't draw multiple spells, as you can see over here, so it only happened once, which slightly excites me. And boom, cast spell. So that was actually a health spell, and my health is maxed. But so if we physical attack, draw spell, and actually you can see over here my casts and my drawns are actively going up too, which are nice. Cast, and I can't spam cast, like that only happens once, so that's only active if draw spell and card is active, and boom. Alright, so that you are actually able to see me draw a spell, cast it, I healed up, draw another one, health drop, heal, damage, damage. Oh wait, what? Oh, damage. Oh yeah, because when I kill a slime, I get a little bit of health back too. So, physical attacks damages both. Drawing spells, I can draw spells, but it only deals damage when I cast, unless it's a health drop, which heals. So, bam. And so right now, the Earth Slime is level 2, the player's level 2. Pretty soon, so in one of my first videos, I think there was like a slime runner or something, where I had an active score. Well, I know how to put text like around here and here, and it's going to be equal to like player and slime level, and around slime level 5, I'm going to have the next enemy come in. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so cool. But so we have technically almost such a close working version to Click Ranger version 0.02. So this week is going to be moving some things around, making things look better. Might change this around, definitely might get rid of that, make these buttons work. I don't know what options is going to do, maybe just get rid of sound. Spells is going to be all the different spells and stuff, but just in a nice pretty little book thing, Exit's gonna be able to exit, but yeah, we are definitely getting there. Thank you for watching. Now get some sleep. Gosh, it's late at night. What are you doing watching this?